This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. If you're looking to go to the next level, then this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned.
Next level slayer. Welcome to the.
Hello, and thanks for watching another episode of Next Level Slayer. In this episode, I am going to be going over a platform called Kucoin. And Kucoin, I'm going over trading futures. And this is a way that I'm able to make money when the market is going down by taking positions, shorting positions in the crypto market. So I am currently in this trade right now. I got in this trade in the beginning of this candle and it came down here. So what's happening right now is that I shorted this market. And what you're able to do on this platform, which I really love about it, I'm trading the futures here, is set a take profit and a stop loss. It lets you put in like a percentage thing. I want to make a 25%. I want to take profit at 25%. I want to put my stop loss at 25%. You're able to set that whatever you want it to be. You're also able to put on how much you want on the trade. Futures is simply you're able to short a market, and you're also able to add leverage on the trade as well. So currently I'm able to, let me just go to something else really quick. Let's just say ETH. I'm actually in an ETH one. This is the one I'm in ETH. All right. So Ethereum is, I got in this trade, I forgot what area. Oh, right here. My entry price was $28.49. All right. And it's currently at $29.19. I have my take profit set at $29.91. So what I'm going to do, because it is, it's very possible for this to go all the way up here, but if I can wait till it gets there and let it close out itself. Matter of fact, I will probably let that do. This is going to give me 25% profit. Now that's not a lot because I only put $10 on this trade here. Okay, I just got a signal, and you guys may get to see. I just got a signal from OKC Signals, which it's saying to buy Tron. Now I'm going to buy it here instead of Kraken because I'm already, just as an example to show you guys how this actually works here. On here, I mostly do pick my own signals on this platform, but I could actually use the signals I get from OKC. Now it's saying to buy, so I'm able to, I have $117 available. So what I'm going to do is put $25 on this trade, and then my maximum leverage that I have available is 5 times that. So 5 times 25, that's how much leverage it's giving me on this trade. Okay, so I'm saying that it's going up, so I click long. Okay, so it put me in the trade. So now what I'm able to do is go ahead and set my take profit and stop loss. So this site, it doesn't let you put in a exact amount. It has you put in a profit rate. So I'm saying 25%. I set it at that, and then my loss, I set at 25. So 1 and 1. That's what I set my take profit ratio at. And most of the time, what I'm doing here is simply kind of watching the market, not to see how it does, and then I close out the sale prior to it reaching any of these things, either of these targets. So, for example, the take profit, let's go up, is at 1368. All right, 1368. All right, where is my? I can't find. Hold on, let me go to the hour chart. I'm trying to see. Okay, there we go. Okay, 13.68. I'm taking profit, and then 12. My stop loss is at 12,463. So let me go to the 30-minute chart. It's easier to see there. Okay, so 12,463 is like in here. Okay, so I'm saying that close me out of this trade if it gets here. I don't want to lose any more money. I'm taking profit at 1368, which is 1368 is 13,368 is in here. All right, so it's very possible for me to kind of definitely reach this target before it goes all the way down. Okay, so I'm in this trade. My account is going up, and I want to show you guys my progress that I've made in here. So I started this a couple of days ago, and I deposited $49 in my future account, and then yesterday I got it up to $54, so I made 9.9% profit. And then today I got it's up to, I deposited an additional $99 in there, and I'm at 156. So now I'm at 157.37. So if I wanted to close my trades out with this profit, I could, because I am at 157.28. So what I do is put in 157.28 on the spreadsheet just to see where I'm at profit wise. So right now I'm up. If I was to close out right now, I'm up 7.9%. That's with the $99 in there. If I took out the $99, it would just be 57 if I would have never put that in here. But I put more money in here, so I'm able to take bigger trade amounts. All right, and I'll continue to put compound this account and put money in here from my earnings from Watermine. So this allows me a way to short the market, and it allows me a way to place additional trades in a separate platform other than my Kraken account. So right now, let me go back to the 15-minute chart here. So right now it is going down, but I don't think it's going to go all the way down here. So I'm good. So that is how you trade the market here. So I'm in another position that I'm in. I'm in Ethereum. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and sell this right now, because this candle right here tells me that it's going to kind of come down, and I want to take my profit off of this right now. Even though it's not that much, it's still I want to lock in that profit. All right, so that is closed out. So now I'm on the only two trades that I have working for me now is the TRX, and I also have a trade in here under BSV. Okay, BSV is one that I shorted. See, sometimes this thing kind of gets a little bit crazy here. I shorted this one. Okay, so this has me in profit now as well. Okay, so I'm going to leave this because I feel like it is going to continue to go down, and I'll just keep an eye on it. It is my goal to at least try to get 10% a day in the market if I can, and getting 10% a day is good, you know. It's another way to, over time, as you continue to do this and compound your account, you're able to make a lot of money after a year's time. So that's it, guys. I wanted to show you this is another way that you can make money in the crypto space by shorting the market. And if you want to learn how to do this as well, then you can join my Patreon community, where I'll be putting in more detailed content, and you'll be able to connect with me one-on-one to learn how to slay the crypto space, whether it's making money trading, whether it's on Kraken, on Kucoin, or any other platforms, and other ways to capitalize, like staking. And there's so many ways, and that is content that I bring to my Patreon community. So that I just launched, by the way. So it's kind of brand new, but there is content there already. And if there's something that you're interested in learning in particular, then you can reach out to me. And if it's something that I can teach you, then I will load it up in the Patreon community, so we can get you started. So that is it. That is all, guys. Thanks for watching this episode of Next Level Slayer. If you like this content and you want to see more of it, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and if you like this one video in particular, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I welcome all my new subscribers. I appreciate you. And until next time, I see you on the next level. Bye-bye.
Welcome to the